Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, here for the given question we need to divide 20 by 11. So here using the division algorithm this can be written as 20 divided by 11. Now we know that if we write in terms of decimal this can be written as 20.00. Now we divide with 11. So here in our case, so for the first two term we will consider the 20. It will be 1. So 20 minus 11. So this can be written as 9.0. So here again, now it is 9 which is less than 11, so we will put a point and we will take down 0 here. So it will be 90.0 minus, now 11, the last term for the 11 will be 88, which is less than 90. So here it is 8 times, so 1.8. Now here again subtracting this 2 we have 20. 2. Again we will put 0 down, so 20.0 minus, again we will subtract 11, so we have 1. Here we have 9 as our reminder, again 90.0 minus 88, again repeating the same procedure, we have 8 and here we have 20, like 2 will be the remainder. Again putting the 0 we can get it down. So here in our case from this step we can observe that the remainder is 1.81 bar, because 81 is repeating continuously. So here in our case using the division algorithm we know that remainder will be 1.81 bar. Now further in the next part of the question we are given that if we divide $20 by 11, then here we have $1.81 per person. So this is our required solution. I hope you understood very well. Thank you.